Hello, my name is Apima Divine Iganambari, a geospatial data intelligence specialist, also the founder of Accusys, a tech training and consulting firm. We consult for various organizations and then we train people on various tech skills such as cybersecurity, data analysis, web development, consult for different organizations to help them build different systems, data models, and so on. However, my focus here today is on the tech training skills. Now, what makes me stand out for this fellowship, right? I have worked across various sectors as an employer of labor. I have volunteered for different NGOs. I've done a lot of community projects, community development projects, and I've also worked with young people. And one of the things I've come to notice is not just the lack in skill, but that, especially in Nigeria, are enthusiastic. However, they do not have the right skills to be able to compete in the labor market. So this was part of the reasons or part of the things that vetted or spurred Acquisitions Company Limited. We came up as young people, myself and some of my friends. We were like, we already have this experience. Why don't we look at how we can build some of these people, especially in vulnerable communities, in places where we have talent, but they don't have access to education, they don't have access to mentorship, they don't have access to some of these organizations to do internships to learn after they are done with their training. So this was where we came in. So we started carrying out a lot of projects which were mostly free, right? So it's been going on for years. We've had a lot of people come in, we've mentored them, we've trained them, we've been able to help some of them get employment opportunities in some of the organizations we partner with. Now, my main reason for applying for this is so that I can be able to scale up. I've been doing basic tech skills, so I want to be able to work with my thing to scale up. We have a platform that people can learn online for those who can learn online. For some of them already have tech skills or they have this knowledge, but they want to maybe upskill. So we have a platform we partner with in the courses where people can go and learn. However, I want to be able to expand. I want to be able to go just beyond basic tech skills to partnering with bigger organizations like InvestX, where people can learn how to do drones, to build drones. People can learn how to build softwares that power intelligence, that power oil and gas, that power different sectors, and then where we can also train them on skills such as robotics, right? Robotics, software. We already do a part of software development. However, we want to be able to expand, not just to do basic trainings on just data analysis and basic trainings on just which are of course generic, right? We want to be able to now move forward from just doing basic tech skills now to building solutions that solve national problems, that solve real life problems. So part of the people that we are looking forward to benefit from this project or from this fellowship is the communities, because like I said, I have worked on with various communities. I've done a lot of community engagement. So one of the people we are strategically looking at are people who are talented, young people, women. In Nigeria, we have lesser women who are into STEM, science, technology, and engineering. But I want to be able to look out to expand to reach out to the most important people we are targeting is young people, vulnerable people in vulnerable areas who do not have access to these skills. And then we're also looking at women, empowering women, not just learning how to. So that we look out to bridge is not just empowering these people with these skills, but we want to be able to help them after they are done with learning these soft or tech skills. They can now go, we can now help them to get maybe internship opportunities with some of the partner, because it's one thing, right, to train people, is another thing for them to be able to use what they've learned to build or solve problems. So this is why most times they are either intern with us, and when we mentor them, we teach them even soft skills. We teach them a lot of things that can help them to stand out, to either start building their own startups or start building their own solutions, or that can help them stand out in the labor market. If given this opportunity, my team and I will utilize the money judiciously to ensure that most of these target areas or target communities or target people are being met. So I look forward to the opportunity and I want to appreciate this, and I hope that we come out and we get to the next stage. I look forward to having the next meeting for the next stage. Thank you very much.